अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अ रूम ऑफ वन्स ओन बाय वर्जीनिया वुल्फ। अ रूम ऑफ वन्स ओन इज़ एन extended essay based on two lectures that Woolf gave at a women's college at Cambridge University in 1928. It was published in book form in 1929, and in this book Woolf talk about women and fiction, how they and why women writers have been ignored or not given equal chances. She argues that a woman needs two things. The first one is money, and the second one is a room of her own. Money like financial independence, and room of her own like personal space and freedom. These represent the freedom to थिंक, इमेजिन एंड राइट विदाउट इंटरप्रिटेशन और प्रेशर फ्रॉम सोसाइटी। मैं इंग्लिश में पता आप लोगों को क्यों पढ़ के सुनाती हूँ, मेरे कुछ वर्ड्स इनकी आप लोगों को समझ नहीं लगती। जब मैं पढ़ती थी, जब मैं नोट्स किसी के लेती थी यूट्यूब से, तो लोग सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बोल ही जाते थे। मैं कहती समझा क्यों नहीं रहे। तो मैं कोशिश करूँगी इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों को समझाऊँगी, क्योंकि अभी मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हैं। अभी मैंने 8th सेमेस्टर के पेपर दिए हैं और मैं फ्री हो गई हूँ। Virginia Woolf was a famous British writer, feminist and literary critic. She is known for her modern writing style and strong views on women's rights. She is remembered as one of the most important writer of the 20th century. प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियोस को शेयर किया करें, ये ना किया करें कि हमारे नोट्स अच्छे बन गए हम अपनी किसी फ्रेंड को नहीं बताएंगे। आप मेरा लिंक क्लास में शेयर किया करें सबके साथ, ठीक है। Born in 1882 and died in 1941. जब मैं अपनी क्लास में पढ़ती थी, बहुत सी मेरी फ्रेंड्स मुझसे मेरे नोट्स मांगती थी, लेकिन मैं किसी को नहीं देती थी, सिवाय अपनी एक फ्रेंड के। This book is very important in feministic literature. It was one of the first books that openly talk about how women were held back in a literary and academic world. Woolf showed that women's writing was not taken seriously in the past. Society expected women to stay quiet and not express themselves. Women's talent were wasted because they didn't have freedom or resources. This book encouraged equal opportunities for women and inspired future generation of female writers to speak up, write, and break social limitations. Virginia Woolf makes several key arguments in this book. Women need independence to write. She says that without money and personal space, women cannot freely develop their creativity. History ignored women achievement. Woolf argued that history was written by men and women contribute were left out. Patriarchal limited women talent. Talented women, because of strict gender roles, lack of education, and low financial freedom. Women must create their own path. She encouraged women to be brave, believe in their voice, and start writing their own stories. In the final chapter, Virginia Woolf brings together all her main arguments. She says that for a woman to write fiction, she needs money and a room for her own. This means financial independence and personal space. Without this, it's very hard for women to create literature freely. Woolf imagines a fictional sister of Shakespeare, someone just as talented, but she says this sister wouldn't have been able to succeed because of the restriction placed on women. अच्छा, इसमें वर्जीनिया वुल्फ बताना चाह रही है कि वो अपने आप को ना एज आ इमेजिन करती है कि शेक्सपियर की सिस्टर, क्योंकि शेक्सपियर को तो हर चीज़ की फैसिलिटी थी, लेकिन अब उसे किसी भी चीज़ की फैसिलिटीज़ जो हैं वो नहीं रिक्वायर्ड थी। तो इस वजह से वो अपने आप को एक इमेजिन सिस्टर कहती है शेक्सपियर की। और इस पूरी चैप्टर में वही डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करती है कि औरतों को एक छोटा सा रूम दे दिया जाए और थोड़े से पैसे दे दिए जाएँ तो वो लिख सकती हैं अपने बारे में, अपने ऊपर जो है एक इंडिपेंडेंट औरतें बन सकती हैं। मेजर थीम इसके देख लें, यही एक क्वेश्चन करना है आपने। कोई लंबा चौड़ा आपको प्रोसेस 10 क्वेश्चन रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जैसे ये क्वेश्चन करें, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करें। जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी इन अ रूम ऑफ वन्स ओन, वर्जीनिया वुल्फ क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन हाउ वुमेन हैव ऑलवेज फेस्ड जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी। जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी की जहाँ बात होती है वहाँ ये होती है कि औरतों को कम हकूक़ दिए जाना, औरतों को दबा के रखना, और मर्दों को जो है हर हकूक़ दिया जाना। शी कंपेयर्स men's and women's colleges to show how differently they were treated. हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे थे जेंडर इनक्वालिटी की। इन अ रूम ऑफ वन्स ओन, वर्जीनिया वुल्फ clearly explains how men have always faced gender inequality. I'm so sorry, how women, not men. She compares men's and women's colleges के कैसे जो men's का colleges हैं वो कितने furnished हैं, और women's का colleges में एक AC तक या फिर एक generator तक नहीं काम करता। तो इसी तरह की चीज़ों के बारे में वो डिस्कस करेंगे। While men enjoying rich libraries and lifestyles, women had very basic resources and less respect. Woolf argues that it was not because women were less intelligent, it's because society didn't allow them or giving them the same rights and opportunities same like men. Women were expected to serve men, raise children and stay quiet, while men were encouraged to study, write and succeed. This unfair system kept women away from learning. At that time, women were not allowed to make and take their decisions. Their true creativity needs equality for both genders. नहीं थोड़ा बहुत So यहाँ पे women were expected to serve men, raise children and stay quiet, while men are encouraged to stay right and succeed. The unfair system kept women away from learning. At that time, women were not allowed to make and take their decisions. True creativity needs equality for both genders. Economic freedom पे आए. Virginia Woolf highlights that money is the key factor in a woman's success. In her times, women didn't usually have their own income. They depend on fathers, brothers and husbands for financial support. This made powerless and limited their choices. Woolf argues that if a woman has financial independence, she can think freely, write without fear or pressure. She famously says that woman needs 500 or 5,000, आप लोग इसको make sure कर लीजिएगा गूगल करके, needs a ear and a room of her own to be able to write. This shows how economic freedom allows for mental peace and personal freedom. Without money, and women may be stuck in household jobs or works that consumes her energy and time. Woolf believes that creative work needs comfort. By earning their own money, women can escape their control of others and make their own choices, including the choices to write. Personal space पे देखें, the room in a room of one's own is more than just a physical place. It's a powerful symbol of personal space, privacy and freedom. Woolf says every woman who wants to write must have a room of her own. This means she needs a quiet, undisturbed space where she can think deeply and express her. वो यही कह रही है कि एक औरत को एक स्पेस दे देनी चाहिए. आजकल का जॉइंट सिस्टम है, आप लोग ये भी देखते हैं, स्पेस नहीं मिलती किसी को भी, तो औरत के लिए स्पेशलिस्ट ने इसी बात पे कहा कि एक रूम मिल जाए, उसको कुछ पैसे मिल जाए तो वो राइट कर सकते हैं. वुमेन लिव्ड इन शेयर स्पेसेस. दे हैड नो टाइम्स और प्लेसेस टू एक्सप्लोर देयर थॉट्स. इफ़ अ वुमेन हैड अ रूम, शी हैज़ टू कंट्रोल ओवर हर टाइम्स, हर थॉट्स एंड हर क्रिएटिविटी. सप्रेशन ऑफ फीमेल टैलेंट. Woolf presents a powerful example by imagining a character named Shakespeare, Judith Shakespeare, the fictional sister of William Shakespeare. Judith is just as talented as her brother, but her life is completely different from him. She is not allowed to go to school or act in a play. She is expected to marry and stay quiet. If she tries to write, no one supports her. Society laughs at her dreams. Through this, Woolf shows how many girls and women have lived and died without being recognized. Their talent was not less than man, but society refused to let them grow. This showed that the lack of female writers in history is not as a result of a low ability, but lack of opportunity. Call to action or hope for future. And then a room of one's own, Woolf gives a hopeful and inspiring message to all women. She encouraged them to believe in their talent, gain education and write without fear. Even though the past was unfair, she believes that the future can be different. Women are now beginning to earn their own money, attend universities, have more freedom. अब जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा women सब कुछ करने लग गए हैं. She hoped that many women will write books, poetry and stories. Woolf dreams that one day Shakespeare dead sister will be born again, not in one woman but in everywhere. To conclude, देखिए, she ends the book with a powerful message. If women keep earning money, gaining education and writing, then the dead poet who was Shakespeare's sisters will be born again. Means many talented women writers will finally be recognized, start writing, start taking action against the suppression or oppression or domestic violence that they face every day. So I am done this video. Next video तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.